Resurrection Remix, one of the best custom ROM for Android devices, is back with the taste of Android 10. In this video, let's take a look at Resurrection Remix 8.1. Right now this ROM is available for OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6T and OnePlus 5T. Soon other Android devices will also be added. So here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me show you the software information first by going to About section. And here you can see Android version is 10, Resurrection build name is Resurrection Remix and security patch is the latest one, which is 5th May 2020. All the download links are given in the description below. You can check the downloads for your available devices. If you guys are not aware, Resurrection Remix ROM was one of the best ROM and it comes with lots of customization options. And also this is an official build. So whenever there is an OTA update available, you'll get notified about it and you can install that OTA update directly from the system update section. And one more thing, what you need to keep in mind, if you get an OTA update, make sure you are not running TWRP recovery. If you have TWRP recovery, then you have to completely reset your device after updating it. You can flash it using TWRP recovery, but after flashing the ROM, avoid flashing TWRP zip file. If you flash TWRP zip, after the first boot, your device won't be able to replace the Resurrection recovery. And Resurrection recovery is required to update your device using OTA update. Now let's take a look at the latest build of Resurrection Remix 8.1. First thing what you'll notice is there are no changes done with the boot animation. It's the same boot animation which used to come with previous builds. Basic services like VoLTE, alert slider and warp charging is working fine. ROM comes within Wi-Fi calling feature inbuilt and we also get the call recording option. Also team have added two launchers, one is Pixel launcher and second one is the Trebuchet launcher. But right now Trebuchet launcher won't work. It keeps crashing whenever you try to select that launcher. And this was the same issue with the initial build and after updating the device also I am facing the same issue. Best part of this ROM is customizations. And along with that, being on custom ROM, you can still enjoy OnePlus features. In the quick setting panel itself, you can find features like gaming mode, on the go, screen recorder, always on display, ambient display, DC dimming, and one of my favorite feature called FPS info. Once you enable this will continuously show the FPS info whenever you are using the device. On most of the custom ROMs, people always ask for OnePlus camera and other OnePlus applications. But on Resurrection Remix 8.1, we get the applications like OnePlus camera and OnePlus gallery. And here camera application is the latest one, which is 3.8.114. There are no issues with the sensors like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyro. So this is the Pixel launcher. Swiping towards the right hand side will open up Google Feed. There are not much of customizations available with Pixel launcher. Now let's take a quick look on few of the new features what they have added with the Resurrection Remix 8.1. Inside the settings panel, where you can find the customization options related to status bar, panels, system, animation, interface and miscellaneous. So we won't be covering all of these, but we'll take a look at few of the customization options which are newly implemented. Now talking about the first one, here under panels, now you can add additional volume panels. So we have options like ringing, notification, alarm, voice, Bluetooth. Once you enable all these panels, you can directly access them using your volume panel. Resurrection team have also added the screen refresh rate options for OnePlus 7 Pro. For OnePlus 7 Pro, we get two options. One is 60Hz and 90Hz. Under navigation, we get the system navigations where we have the full screen gesture options, 2 navigation button options and 3 navigation buttons options. You can also play around with the system animations. And one of the best feature which I liked it on this ROM is fingerprint settings, from where you can choose the fingerprint icon. Here we have few collections of fingerprint icons. So let's select this. And later we also get the option to change the animation effect of fingerprint recognition, where we have multiple options of fingerprint animations. So let's choose MIUI. And here you can see the animation of MIUI. Now let's also see OnePlus McLaren Edition animation. So guys, this is one of my favorite features which comes on Resurrection Remix. You can see how many options we have for fingerprint animation. And guys, these fingerprint animations won't work if you are using always on display. Then we also have Android 10 themes available where you can change the style, clock, wallpapers, and if you want you can create a custom style. Not all ROM comes with the gaming mode feature. but on Resurrection Remix 8.1 they have already added the gaming mode feature, which is a quite helpful feature while you are gaming. You can enable this. Later you can block the notification, lock the buttons, disable automatic brightness. You can change the ringing options, and here we have an option of dynamic mode. And the last feature, which is one of my favorite feature, and this feature was also suggested to OnePlus by OnePlus community, which is smart charging. So this feature is now available on Resurrection Remix, where you can enable it and you can set the start and stop trigger level. So guys, these were the few new customization options added on Resurrection Remix 8.1. Under display, automatic brightness works fine. Rest we have the same stuff, and we also get few OnePlus features like high brightness mode, DC dimming. You can customize your alert slider. Under ambient display, you can also enable single tap wake up, and if you want, there is an option to change the vibrator strength. And at last, now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu benchmark application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 755 and multi-core have scored 2570. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 4,79,928. So guys, this was a quick look on Resurrection Remix 8.1 for OnePlus 7 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.